everyone, today I make crispy fish fillet served with pasta shell and sauté mushroom onion. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. So I bought a whole fish, so I need to do the fillet myself. You can go buy a fish fillet, but if not that fresh like you buy whole fish, and more than that, the cost will be cheaper if you buy the whole fish. But you got to know how to fillet it, and I show you how, very easy. Now along the edge where the gills is, you make a slit, and then you open up, and your knife should go against the bones, and so that you don't lose any meat. And you just go in like that, make a slit on top, and at the tail, then you can take on out in one piece. Remember, your knife will be almost parallel with the surface and go against the bones. Then you won't lose any meat. Go like that to the end of the fillet, and you can make another incision here, another slit here, and you finish, take it out. Okay, you can see I almost there. This is for you who lives in the US or any Western world, because if you are in Vietnam, you go to the fish markets and the seller will do that for you for free. It's very, they are very good to do this thing, so they don't charge you anything. Now after I have the fillet, I use my hand to go over the fillet to see that if I leave any bone. So I keep trimming and remove any bone if I can detect it, and that's it. Now the season for this fish is very simple: salt and pepper and fish sauce. I have the measurement in the description box below. If you want the written recipe, please click there. Please click on the icon and go there and read it for yourself. You can see my left hand touching the fish, so I use a piece of paper towel before I use the peppermint. I don't want to cover my peppermint with fish. So I season both sides the same way, and now I will coat my fish fillet with flour. I use on-purpose flour and cornstarch. coat my fish, my fillet very well, and that's it. And we are ready for the skillet. You keep watching me to fry the fish, and after that we will saute the mushroom and the pasta shell. I'd like to take the opportunity to say thank you for stopping by, watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please like, share my video and subscribe. It means a lot to me. So I have oil in the skillet and I crushed one garlic clove and dropped in it and flipping around so that the garlic everywhere. It smells garlicky right now and very good. So I drop my fish in. And remember, this is very thin fillet, so it takes me 2 minutes each side to cook the fish. And make sure you check the garlic, because if you leave this too long, they got burned bits and it will be bitter. So right now I move the garlic pieces on top of my fish. Now my fish is cooked and I remove onto the plate, waiting for other components. So I have not so many. I have about 2 pieces of mushrooms and a quarter of red onion. So I drop in the oil and saute mushroom. The mushroom normally when you cook it roots the liquid. So I keep it on high heat and it eliminates that. Now it's cooked enough and I like it, so I drop in my cooked pasta shell. Those shells I cooked yesterday and I put it in the fridge. That's why you see them clung to each other. So I use some stock to help steam, and the steam will release the pasta shells are not stuck together. Now I got my mushroom and onion out and hand on the shells. I season it right now, and this mixture is soy sauce, fish sauce and oyster sauce. I season it enough so that it have flavor, and I will take it out now and we're making the pan sauce. I drop in some green onion for color and flavor, and I tasted it and they're flavorful, so they are ready to come out. You can see my plate is waiting for them. Now I use the same skillet and I drop in my stock and the rest of the seasoning, and I just swirl around so that the sauce is a little thickened, and that's it. We're ready for the plate. You can see now we have all components for the dish. The pasta shells, the mushroom, the onion, and the fish, and now the sauce. Let me clean up the plate so that it look better and clean, and that's it. This very fast cooking and flavorful dish, so you give it a try. I garnish it with some peppermint, and I also have the flowers from my mustard green, and that's it. We are ready to eat. You are invited. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like it, and please come back to see other videos. They are very useful for you. Thank you. Bye bye.